What drives me as an activist is that we see the effects of climate change everywhere for a very long time already, and especially in the global south. We see floodings in Mozambique, the oil spills in Nigeria, the heat waves in USA, in Canada, and yet we don't know anything. Like, policymakers are failing to act, so there's a lot of activism needed. And now it's also coming closer by. Like, at the moment, there is big floodings in the south of the Netherlands and in Germany. People are missing, people are dying.
In July 2021, extreme rainfall and catastrophic flooding, the worst in many, many decades, had devastating effects in Western Germany. Many people were made homeless for months. More than 170 people died. Hundreds were injured and many had to be evacuated. Residents lost their homes and their livelihoods. A few days earlier, the US and Canada had seen temperatures of over 50 degrees Celsius. Fires destroyed residential estates and entire villages. Dozens died of heat exhaustion. Climate change is making extreme weather events like this more frequent.